Tangzu has finally released their very budget-oriented set named after Warner SG, one of the most famous poets in Chinese history. With stunning aesthetics and a price under $20, this set is one of the better budget options. But how does it sound? Let's find out. The sound signature in the Tangzu Warner is so warm that the warmth is about to turn the entire presentation dark. Overall tonal balance is good, though I'm expecting a less harsh treble peak. The bass presentation on this set is deep and has a lot of warmth. It's wakeful, thick, and rumbly. Drum instruments came out punchy and least sharp at the same time, which, in turn, creates a deep impact atmosphere. Also, it has longer decay and will probably punch your eardrums pretty hard, although it might not satisfy bass heads. The mid-range tonality is rather delicate and well-defined. Some things are correct, but others might need to be noticed by an inch. Vocal is enjoyable and has a beautiful tone at the same time. However, it could be more well extended towards upper harmonics. High dynamic range vocal harmonics might not sound natural in classical music tracks. The treble is so tame and has less presence in the mix. It's not a sibilant and fatiguing set to listen to and is probably the safest choice for a long listening session. Vocal breaths do exist, but with a very dim presentation. This set emphasizes more on the vocal tone rather than vocal intimacy, which is understandable and by no means a bad thing. High drum instruments presentation is, no question, dim. That's not a problem. It became a problem for mid drums due to the need for treble for attack presence. The soundstage itself isn't congested at all. Layering is also better than many IEMs in the same price range. While the treble is less present in the mix, the resolution seems lower than it should. But after a set of repeated listening, this set is just as resolving as the others in the same price bracket. The Tangzu Warner is indeed a competent budget performer. It gives off a less fatiguing treble response, punchy bass, and a sweet vocal tone. This kind of tuning fits most casual listeners. This set is perfect for those who want to enter the audio hobby for the first time. "54 out of 100. Lovely. Thanks for watching. Consider giving us like and subscribe.